a trip to visit two islands. So the taxi from the hotel, which is very beautiful, we are taking these taxis everywhere, so I will just show you because it's a daytime, so you can actually see. This taxi takes us to Murano. We will be visiting the factory, the glass factory there, and then we will take the public transport to Burano Island, and we will just go around and then come back to San Marco. Bye. We arrived at Murano and we are going to the factory. The guys are showing us around. Murano Island has been famous for over 800 years for its glass art craft manufacturing.
Welcome to Esteban Rossetto. This is our factory. It's the factory that has already thousands of years, and we make glass. The raw material for the glass is silicon sand. If you want, you can touch it. The sand that we use comes from France, from Fontainebleau, but here in the factory we need to add all the minerals like potash, soda, calcium, borax, and different mineral oxides for the colors. So for example, for the blue color they use cobalt, for the green color copper, red and ruby we have gold, 24 karat selenium, and so on. Everything is worked by hand, we don't use machines and we don't use models. It's really very important. The ovens that we have today, they are working with natural gas instead of oven. The quality of the glass is much better today because we can control it and we take medium to okay.
We were very lucky because we were supposed to take the public transport to Burano, but the factory offered us a private taxi to Burano, so it's great. And we are at the main street in Burano. All these colorful houses everywhere, and we will be looking for a place that we can sit and have brunch, something nice. But it's very relaxing and calm here.
And this kind of lace is completely by hand with a needle and thread, and is made by 7 different women, 7 different stitches, because each person is specialized in one particular stitch. So first of all, it's one lady specialized to the design and the piece of the paper, another lady follow the design by machine, and then over the paper with a needle and thread, the different women do a particular stitch. The stitch is at a small note in here because the work is not through the paper but is made over the paper. And when the piece is finished, another lady cut between the paper and the cloth with the blade, cut the stitches made before with the machine, and come out only the lace by hand.
And they have a museum here. Oh wow. Very nice. They have jewelry, masks everywhere. Everything is so beautiful. Burano is known for lace art craft manufacturing, and we visited this beautiful shop, and for its fishermen's brightly colored houses, as you can see, all around this area and everywhere really. And there is the sea and canal and all these colorful houses that you can recognize from pictures. Very cute. And this is possibly the place that we can go, and the menu. Just for light lunch, I guess. This is our last day in Venice. We are leaving now. Actually, it was a nice surprise. We have 2 nights more, but we are leaving Venice for another city and we are continuing our adventure. And in the next vlog you will see another destination, Italian destination. I have been there a few times and I absolutely love it as well. So we will continue our Italian trip and I'm taking you with me. And yes, and we are saying goodbye. We are in the taxi saying goodbye to our hotel, Hilton Hotel. And we are going for the next adventure to continue in Italy. That's our station. We are getting off the boat and taking our train.